CSX is wasting no time during this clear, cool Florida fall in resuming expansion on its S-line from Callahan to Winter Haven. At Vitis Junction, new number 20 turnouts have been delivered. Curious that these are on wooden ties, while much of the new track and sidings to the north are on concrete. The new robust turnouts likely won't increase the already 50-mile-per-hour speed through Vitis, but they will stand up to heavier traffic passing here. It's not yet known if the 900 MHz ATCS will go satellite at Vitis, but based on what's already happened at Coleman, Wildwood, Anthony, and Stark, satellite is a good bet. 10,000 feet away at the north end of Vitis siding, concrete ties have been chosen for track structure. Just like on any early Sunday, Q452 passes on its way to Waycross, Georgia. Looks like business out of Miami is a little light this weekend, 1,400 feet. I dallied here for a few minutes until I heard another train call an approach medium from somewhere to the north. 452 would be meeting someone. It was too late for Dade City. It had to be Lacucci, the next siding to the north. I made it to the Mickler Road crossing just as 452 was arriving. The train in the siding was Q235, southbound to Carter's Siding near Auburndale, where he drops loaded racks for South Florida. Then he takes the rest of the loads to Taft near Orlando and brings back empty racks to Winston Yard. If a rail fan wanted to, he could catch 235 3 or 4 or 5 times on a single outing in Central Florida. Back down at Vitis Junction, there was one more train on the radar before breakfast. W953, a work train special bringing brand new cross ties for somewhere in the area. There will be lots of these trains in the next 6 months as the S-line expansion moves forward. At Vitis Junction, Florida, this is Danny Harmon, out.